Question. In which of the following sentences the word clean is used as verb? Answer option A. Clean your room by yourself. Question. Choose the wrong sentence. Answer option B. One of my friends have visited me yesterday. Next question. Which of the following means the opposite of precarious? Answer option C. Secure. At the question, select the suitable reported form of the given sentence. Have you taken your umbrella? Vishal, mother asked. Answer option D. Mother asked Vishal whether he had taken his umbrella. Question. In which of the following sentences the word fast is used as adverb? Answer option B. The child ran fast and escaped the dog. Question. Choose the correct option to fill up the blanks. Question. The place dash I met my old friend was Kodaikanal. Answer option D. Where. Question. The girl sings well dash. Answer option C. Doesn't she? Question. Before he reached the class, the teacher dashed the lesson. Answer option A. Had started. Question. If you go now, you dash the train. Answer option B. Will get the train. Question. She had no difficulty dash the exam. Answer option A. In passing the exam. Question. She dashed the bus. Answer option C. Got off. Next question. Choose the meaning of the word handy. Answer option D. Arrogant.